When you hear the word surrender, what do you think of? Do you think of giving up, giving in, just quitting? I have to tell you, surrendering is one of the most transformative things you can do. There are so many people I'm hearing from they're fighting so hard, trying to get their partner to do the work, and spending all their time, effort, and energy. What are they doing? What are they thinking? How are they behaving? What's going on with them? And all their effort is spent on the other. And when you surrender, that's when you say, I have no idea what they're going to do. It is not up to me anymore. It is about me and my healing. And I'll tell you, that's when transformation begins. It's one of the key things that can help transformation, because when you're spending all your time on them, you're taking it away from you. And it's keeping your healing at bay. And it's also one of the things we do. We think we're being really constructive. We're trying. But it's really not, because you're actually preventing the other person from doing the work on their own, from realizing, what in the world did I do? Let me clean this up. Let me get my act together, whatever it is. It's not coming from us. It's got to come from them. But when we surrender, there is so much strength and power, because then you say, I have no idea what's going to show up. I have no idea what this is going to look like. I have no idea who I'm going to become. But the pain of where I am has just become greater than the fear of the unknown. And that's when we transform. Follow for more.